in case you didn't spot it. Tape deck. How cool. So the temperature in the workshop today is about 28. So I've had this running a little while now. Let's see what we can see temperature wise. The customer's saying that it's not getting cool enough. To me, that's functioning. I think we're probably going to be looking more at a pollen filter than we are an AC regas. Yeah, it's functioning fine. But there's not a great deal of flow through this. We are on there. Let's see if we can do anything with this. So that's maximum fan. I need to get one of them flow things to show you guys, but there's not a lot of flow over that. But it is cooling quite nice. So about this Santa Fe, I've cleared out the glove box. Now we're going to check the pollen filter in it. So it's got these little tabs here. Lift the glove box up and kind of slide them if they will. If they want to be difficult, let's have a go at this one. Let's try and get you somewhere where I can do it two-handed and you can see what I'm doing. So that's where your pollen filter lives. In here, so you squeeze the two tabs, one end, squeeze them to the other end. You says I've got the tab squeezed in both sides. You can slide out your filter. And yes, that would have restricted the airflow considerably. Wow. So, Spanish garage been servicing this for the last few years, and the Spanish garage was servicing this one for the past few years. Makes you wonder. But they're cheap. So the airflow will be from the top down. Get the new filter. So it flows down from the top. Bit difficult to do one-handed, but I'm sure I'll be able to. I'll tell you what, I'll do this and then we'll come back. And this will put it up here. There we go. It's a lot easier with two hands. And again, basically, you just push it in till those four tabs locate. Now these go back in the glove box. They're a lot easier to slide in once they've been out once. Then we do find the other one, which I handily put in here. And this little damper. And then all the stuff back in it. But before we do that, let's see if there's going to be any difference to the airflow. It's impossible for you to know. You'll have to take my word on it, but judging by how blocked that filter was, I would say it's a no-brainer. I mean, definitely feels better. Excuse me. Definitely feels better. I mean, it was trying to suck through that just dust and rubbish that was filling up that filter. Anyway, that's how you change the pollen filter on this Santa Fe. Short video on changing the pollen filter in the end on this Hyundai Santa Fe. The customer complaint was that the air conditioning wasn't getting cool enough. But I put a thermometer on his saw and it's cooling nicely. There just wasn't the airflow. And as you saw when we took out the pollen filter, it was absolutely clogged up. So that would have been restricting the airflow. Anyway, yeah, pretty straightforward. Problem is, a lot of these garages work cheap over here and they don't do the full service as specified by the manufacturer at the relevant times. So, I hope you enjoy the video. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out, and please leave comments and questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.